Peekaboo. Can you find the hiding spider? Well done. Peekaboo.
Where's the spider?
Where is the hiding spider?
2 for 2. Nice job.
Peekaboo.
Where'd he go? Where is he?
Find the hiding spider.
3 for 3. There's my amazing psychic son.
Peekaboo.
Hey Miles, can you do the alphabet?
Can you
Here, let's
find
do the
hiding
alphabet.
spider?
Yeah, let's do that one.
Demolish.
Here, let me help you with that one.
M.
There's M.
I. O.
Where's the L, Miles? Where's the L? Which one's the L? Is that it? Is that the L?
L.
There you go. See, the E's over here. Oh, that was close enough. It's right here, see?
E.
Okay, try getting that D.
D.
Yes. Where's the S go? You want to do the H first? Oh, I thought that should have given it to you. There you go. Where's the S go?
S.
Yay! There's my genius baby. Uh-oh, crashed. Oh, your favorite one, and my least favorite. Push the X. There you go. Do the bug race? Okay, I'll go against you, okay? Ready?
Ready.
Set.
Go.
Go! Oh, I'm gonna beat you. Go, go! Go! Oh!
Pink bug wins. Bug race.
I'm gonna go again. Ready?
Ready. Set. Go.
Go! Go, Miles! Go! Yeah, go!
Brown bug wins. Bug race.
Miles. Miles.
Ready. Set. Go.
Love you.